Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to upload reel in your Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your profile appears. At the bottom, you can see that plus icon. Tap on that. Now here you can choose any of the video that you want to upload to your Instagram account as a reel. Here I will be choosing this video. Now at the top right corner, you can see that next. Tap on that. Now you have to choose the option post a reel. Here I will be choosing the reel and tapping on continue. Now you can add some music or edit this reel. Here I will be adding some new music. Here I go. Here you can search for the music or you can choose any of the music that is available here. Here I will be choosing this photograph and then tapping on done. Tap on next. Here also you can add some caption, tag people and add location. But for now I will be skipping this and tapping on share. Now it is in the process to be uploaded to my Instagram account. Here you can see that it has uploaded. In this way, you can easily upload any of the reel in your Instagram account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.